Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Kasa Hotel Redwood City. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Kasa Hotel Redwood City located in downtown Redwood City. Kasa Hotel Redwood City under new management property is just 5 miles from Stanford University. It features free Wi-Fi, free coffee in the lobby each morning and guest laundry services. A microwave and fridge are standard in every room at Kasa Hotel Redwood City. The simply styled rooms also include a work desk and ironing facilities. California's Great America and San Francisco International Airport are each less than a 30-minute drive from Kasa Hotel Redwood City. Silicon Valley in Palo Alto is a 14-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.